Today I have a video mostly for men, so I want to give you a couple of different tips and tools that you might want to use to enhance your performance in the bedroom. During making love, what you have to do is to imagine that you suck the energy from the bottom of your spine upwards each time you are on an in-breath. Right? Another tip is at the foreplay, try to do deep tissue massage or gentle massage to your partner, and ideally all over the body. Hey, this is Mike Sigla from TrueFury.com and welcome to another video. So today I have a video mostly for men, but if you are a female and you are watching it, feel free to watch it. You can send it to your partner, or maybe you're gonna learn something new and you will be able to share it with your partner and give him some suggestions and tips. So before we gonna start, quick announcement: my online course Exit the Matrix is live now. You can check it out at truefury.com/academy. So it's a personal development course with over 30 modules, guided meditation practice, and some other exercises. This course helps you to figure out what is blocking you from reaching your goals, and it helps people to transform their lives. It focuses on many different things, from things like career to relationships, personal development stuff, etc. So if you're interested, currently I'm selling it for half price, and this is a limited offer. So go to truefury.com/academy and use the coupon code Black Friday together at checkout, and you get access to it for as little as $60. So I'm selling two different options. One is with 4 weeks of live coaching. This option is also at half price at the moment. All you have to do is just to go to truefury.com/academy, and at the checkout use the coupon code Black Friday together, and you get the whole Exit the Matrix course for as little as $60. So hurry up, this is only for the first 50 people. And now let's talk about the topic. So I want to give you a couple of different tips and tools that you might want to use to enhance your performance in the bedroom. So first thing that will help you to last longer or stop premature ejaculation is to do this exercise during making love. What you have to do is to imagine that you suck the energy from the bottom of your spine upwards each time you are on an in-breath, right? So when you breathe in, you think about sucking energy from the bottom of your spine upwards your spine, right? Because before you get to an orgasm, you're about to release that through the bottom of your spine, right? So to control it, you try to imagine that you suck it up, suck it up, suck it up, right? During lovemaking. And ideally, the best option is when you do it each time you breathe in, and ideally through the nose. So when you breathe in, you imagine at the same time that you suck this energy upward to your spine, so you do not release it with an orgasm, right? I know it might be a little bit complicated because when you're having fun, you are focused on something else, right? But it's something you can learn. And through this exercise, you can control how long you can last. So it requires some practice. So you have to regulate it with your thoughts and breath ideally. So when you breathe in, you suck it in, right? You suck it up, right? Give it a try I'm not saying it's gonna be easy first time, because it requires some effort while you are focused on something completely different, but this works. Another tip is, at the foreplay, try to do deep tissue massage or gentle massage to your partner, and ideally all over the body, with kissing, kissing the body parts and doing the massage. And ideally you want to do it for at least 10-20 minutes and up to half an hour or more. You can have some candles around to warm up the room, put some very light music. Why massaging the body of your partner? Because the whole body has meridians, which are energetic channels on your body, and when you massage the body, meridians open and the body becomes more sensitive. So during lovemaking, you might start feeling each other more. You might connect deeper, right? This is for couples that are in love, ideally. So foreplay for 20, half an hour, 40 minutes, longer, slower, with massage, and all over the body ideally. I'm talking about like feet, back, everything. And you're gonna see the result afterwards, how you're gonna feel. If you're not in love, I don't know what you're gonna feel, but give it a try. Another thing for guys, you probably want to boost your testosterone levels if you are not lasting long enough according to your standards or your partner. So best thing, exercise, but when you do squats, for example, weightlifting, squats, leg workout, you're gonna get more testosterone, so try that as well. And finally, something that might be useful is Qigong practice, Qigong, Qigong practice, certain exercises that focus on the lower parts of the body. This might help, even just doing an exercise before lovemaking. So if you don't know, Qigong is a Chinese form of exercise system, and it's actually a part of my online course. I included a bonus section with 20 minutes of guided Qigong practice, and this helps with, again, with the flow of prana or qi in the system, right? So it opens meridians, opens energy channels, and it can help also in your lovemaking practices. So these are some of my tips. The first one I think is the most useful probably. Remember, this is something you're gonna have to try a couple of times before you're gonna learn it, to do the retention and move the energy upward to your spine. So give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it worked for you. And if you're a female and you watched till the end, send it to your boyfriend. Remember the tips. And also, if you want to work with me, I do coaching one-on-one. I help in all sorts of things, from personal development to spiritual development. So have a look at truefear.com/coaching, or maybe there's going to be a link somewhere below, and get in touch. I do first call free of charge, so just to get to understand your challenges and maybe I can help. So thank you so much for watching my funny face. To the bedroom and give it a try.